Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to stretch. So for example, you can create a rectangle object and I will set the dimensions into 10 points and 10 points. The next use dim lines to create a dimension linear in the bottom here. Now if you want to stretch these rectangles with the length into 20, you can type stretch, press enter, and then you can select the entities like this. The next, press enter again, and then for base point I will click here. Or you can move to drag here. You can set in here into 10 and press enter. So the length should be set into 20. So you can use the stretch again, press enter, select the objects you need to get selection like this, and press enter, set for base point, and I will move into 5. You can set into 15. Press enter again. So that's it for a basic AviCAD tutorial how to stretch.